guys, today we have Tecno Spark 4 Pro not turning on or charging. We got this device showing a sign of charging, but the device is not charging or powered on. The charging symbol keep showing us and then gone, like someone is pressing on the power button. First, we didn't know what caused the problem, but we should consider that there is a problem with the power button. First, I let the device to keep charging to see if the device can charge with another charger or not. After that, I'm going to remove the SIM card and open the device and see whatever is causing this problem. You can detach the housing from the frame easier using your nails or any plastic tools. I recommend the plastic tools from the metal. We have in the back a fingerprint flex cable. Be caution to it not to cause any damage to it. It will stuck on the frame, so don't be worried. The first thing I'm going to do is to unplug the battery and put it on and try if the phone is stuck or something. I'm powering it on, seems there is no sign of anything. This is not the problem, okay. The second thing I'm going to do is to check the battery voltage. If the battery voltage is less than 3.4 volt, so the phone can charge. So I'm going to check the battery voltage. Battery voltage is 3.3, so it's good to go. We don't have problem with the battery. Now I'm going to tear down the PCB in order to check the power flex cable. Keep removing the shields and the screws, and let's continue. I tried to pull up the board from the power button to see if there is anything could be happen to the phone. While I'm looking, the power button flex cable goes under the motherboard, so when the motherboard touched the pins on the power button, there's something that keep pressing the power button. So I'm going to remove all the motherboard to check that. I couldn't make a final decision of the problem. Now I'm going to power on the device without the motherboard touching the power button. As you can see, the power button not touching the motherboard. I charged the phone if you pay it, and then I turned it on. Sorry, the camera went off, but this was the problem. The power button is causing the problem. I will fix the power button with you. But first I'm going to check if the phone will boot up without any problem first. The phone turned on. Seems we don't have another problem. I'm going to put the motherboard to its position and the phone keep turning on and off, turning on and off. So now we can know that the power button flex cable is causing this problem. So you can either replace it, or you can even replace the power button itself. Be careful while you are removing the power button flex cable, because I'm going to fix it, not to replace it. You can buy a new one and put another one in position and your problem will be solved. And there is no need to follow my steps. Power button flex cable is very sensitive, so you need to be cautious. In this flex cable we have the power button with the volume down and the volume up. As I told you, we have a camera issue. I had removed the old power button and I'm going to put the new power button. To be honest with you, I removed it from the bottom of the flex cable. It was easier for me to get the old power button out, not from the top, the way I soldering it right now. You can go under the flex cable, you put the heating under the flex cable, and then the button will be out easier. Don't need to put too much heating, otherwise the power button will be melt. So I go around 400 degree. Okay, we are ready to go and assemble. The power button has been replaced. All we have to do now is to put it down and then we can test. The battery is plugged in now. The phone should start power on if there is a problem with the power button. Okay, seems the problem has been solved. Now I'm going to press the volume power button. Let's see together. Nothing till now. Again, I'm going to press the power button. Okay, the phone has start charging, so the problem has been solved, and that's it. We have solved the problem for today. If you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. Now you can assemble the phone, and that's it. See ya.